Okay, I want this news to be spread around. I used to have a man by the name of Trayon fucking McLean. And when me the guy done, him take back the drawers them when he buy for me and go on with them. Now me I look for drawers of them, I can't find them, and me buy them by Lazenza. So he take back the drawers of them and go on with them because like he a fucking bull. And you are fucking drawers of them for put on for him man because me don't know we here for take drawers and I walk with fucking drawers from. Me try McLean, Rayon McLean, kiss my mother cunt and it's a fucking bull if you have to fucking do them thing there. You stink mother cunt and I will put your picture and I will put you up on fucking blast. You don't lick up my fucking body and done suck up my hole. Suck it, you rather it than fucking eating breakfast and fucking lunch. Go suck yourself and me want the video go global. And you live a fucking Scarborough Morningside and Kingston Road. Dirty Troy. Dirty Rayon McLean. Fucking whatever your fucking name. You're too fucking wicked. You gonna take me drawers of them and walk with fucking them? That is wrong. No man is supposed to do that. You act like a fucking little boy and then you're 33 years old. The fuck you take me drawers of them for? What you going to do with them? Wear them? Wear them? Like seriously? And Asha, what the fuck you do there? Them take me drawers them and God with them.
Oh
fucking dirty.
I'm legally deaf. This one is too epic.
No, me just a make it thing. And trust me, ladies out there, you have to know kind of man you have to fuck with. If come here, so, and he eat out all my child. He eat out all my child snacks them. Snacks them. Everything I buy for the child, eat out my fucking child. Biscuit, M&M, and he's a big fucking man. Go suck yourself. You're too fucking wicked. I take me jars, me nice, good up jars that me get from La Senza. Pussy all. Me want the video go viral. Me gonna look for a name on Facebook and a dirty boy because I don't block me on Instagram. But me gonna put you on blast. Dirty pussy all.